Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with essentials that actually fix most launch failures. First, verify the device OS version and free at least 500 MB of storage. Low space blocks startup. Once done, force stop the app, clear cache and app data so you remove corrupted temp files, then attempt a relaunch. Make sure battery saver, VPN, or any ad-blocking network filter is off. Those can prevent network checks and crash the app on open. If it still fails, move to reinstalling safely. You'll now perform deeper fixes that address corrupted installs and permission conflicts. Uninstall the app, reboot the device, then reinstall the latest build from the official App Store to ensure a clean copy. Avoid sideloaded packages. Next, open app settings and grant storage, network, and any requested permissions so the app can access required resources. Once done, test in safe mode or sign in with a fresh test account to see if the problem is device level. Account related. You're at the last stage where you decide if a device reset or developer help is needed. Back up your app data and user files. If multiple apps show corruption, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Otherwise, collect logs, screenshots, exact error messages, and timestamps, then contact the app developer or support with that evidence. Try installing the app on a different device to confirm whether the issue is the app or your device. If nothing works, the key tip: replicate the error and supply logs to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.